Best double door refrigerator under 30,000 rupees. Number 1. Godrej 223 liters to star inverter. 30 days farm freshness with nano shield technology frost-free double door refrigerator. Price 21,990 only. Ratings 4 out of 5. Brand Godrej. Color fossil steel. Number 2. Godrej 223 liters 3-star frost-free inverter double door refrigerator. Price 23,490 only. Ratings 4 out of 5. Brand Godrej. Color steel brush. Shelf type profane glass. Number 3. LG 272 liters 3 frost-free smart inverter compressor double door refrigerator. Price 29,990. Ratings 4.4 out of 5. Brand LG. Color shiny steel. Shelf type profane glass. Number 4. Head to 40L to star frost-free double door top mount refrigerator. Price 23,990 only. Ratings 4.2 out of 5. Brand Hair. Color dazzle steel. Material stainless steel. Number 5. Whirlpool 231 liters to star frost-free inverter IntelliFresh double door refrigerator. Price 23,290 only. Ratings 4.2 out of 5. Brand Whirlpool. Shelf type profane glass. Links in description. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.